morning, guys. Today we are going to talk about the safety wire. We are going to use some tools. This one, the safety pliers, the cutter pliers, and the safety wire. The safety wire is coming in different gauge, 316, 38, 516, different gauge. This one is 0.02 millimeters, 0.02 inches. That depends on the head of the bolts. The safety wire is used to install this safety wire in bolts with a drill head. The safety wire in this particular case, this is the fuel pump of a diesel generator. You remember that the diesel generator, the RPM should be stable in 1800 RPMs for 60 Hz or 1500 RPMs for 50 Hz. In order to avoid that the RPM be modified, this wire is installed, the safety wire. I am going to remove this wire and I am going to install another one in the same position. I am going to cut it, the previous one. I am going to remove all pieces of wire, and now I am going to cut it double length. The procedure is too simple. Okay, guys, I am going to pass the wire for the first, and after that I am going to measure. I want that the twisted cable goes until this point. After that, I am going to use my safety pliers. My safety pliers, they have a lock in this position. It's locked. And with this, we release. Okay, in that point I am going to fix it, my pliers. Now the pliers are fixed in that point. I twist it. Okay, not too much, in order to avoid break the wire. Okay, now I pass the wire for the second one. I twist it a little, and once again I am going to tight. And now I cut it. And finally, I bend the cable. And this is the safety wire properly installed. This situation is used to fix bolts and nuts and avoid that with the vibration the bolt loose.